Welcome back, friends. Today we discuss about the significance of Baker House, MIT. But before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for future videos. Alvar Aalto designed the Baker House in 1946 while he was a professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where the dormitory is located. It received this name in 1950, after the MIT's Dean of Students Everett Moore Baker was killed in an airplane crash that year. The dormitory is a curving snake slithering on its site and reflects many of Aalto's ideas of formal strategy, making it a dormitory that is both inhabited and studied by students from all over the world. The site runs along the north side of the Charles River. And from the very start Aalto's plans seek to find ways of maximizing the view of the river for every student. The form established a wide variety of room shapes, creating 43 rooms and 22 different room shapes per floor. Aalto refused to design north-facing rooms since he wanted most rooms to have a view of the river from the east or west, and thus proposed enlarging the rooms on the western end into large double and triple rooms that receive both northern and western light. Built with dark red rustic bricks, the modular pieces come together to create sweeping curves that juxtapose the solid limestone of the attached rectilinear common room. Structural columns are covered in plaster, whereas timber cladding allowed them to form a relationship with the trees. The attention to detail in the Baker House dormitory brought the essence and formality of Aalto's work into America. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.